channel. So today I'm going to do something a little interesting. What I'm going to do is show you a few areas of my house that I have kind of added a touch or two of spring, but still have some winter stuff out, so I need to pack that up and continue on with spring decorating. But I kind of wanted to give you a before look of what everything looks like before I really dig into it. And depending on what I have in storage and what I buy, I might actually do a few other areas because I live in New England and winter's leaving, and yay, it's time for nice weather to come in. So I don't want any touches of winter through my house at all. So I hope this video is finding you all well and in good spirits, and I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you like all things home decor, lifestyle, beauty, fashion tips, anything like that. We would love to have you here as part of our family. Like I said in every video, we always have a good time. We get to know each other, and I've noticed like some people like talk to each other in my description box or my comment section, and I just absolutely love that. Kind of women uplifting women, all positive.
Take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you right. Love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. Be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Take you there.
Okay guys, so this is the sponsored portion of my video. So 310 Nutrition was kind enough to reach out to me and was kind enough also to send me some shakes and some hydration packets to try. And I have to say I'm absolutely loving it. So the shakes you can mix with water. I use almond milk. You know, you could use almond milk, you can use oat milk, you can use whatever you would like. All the shakes are vegan and organic, and these count as a meal replacement. They're very low in calories, very low in carbs and sugar, and actually just taste absolutely amazing. So it comes, if I got the starter kit, so it comes with toasted coconut, chocolate, salted caramel, and vanilla. And then they also gave me some hydration packs to try. So I have peach mango, I have strawberry, and I have lemon lime, and I had another lemon lime already, and it was wonderful. They also give you this beautiful shaker, this 310 shaker. And so you can, it also has a little clip inside so that, you know, you can hook it to your backpack or your purse. So you just fill it with ice, fill it with your either water or almond milk or whatever you're using. Just put in your ingredients, shake really well, and there you go. You have a meal on the go. Or in your water bottle, you can throw one of these beautiful packets that are just delicious. And that is what I'm going to be adding into my keto. They are keto friendly. As you can see, there's only 2 carbs, because you would minus the total carbs minus the fiber. So they're very low, and almond milk is keto friendly, and I love almond milk. And then it gives you like a little package with a fresh start and all the things that you can do with your shakes. So you could add fruit, you can add vegetables, you could add spinach and make it a green shake. You can do all kinds of things. So if you're looking for, you know, a meal replacement or just something quick on the go that's healthy, I highly recommend them. And like I said, I tried them, I love them, and I so recommend them. And thank you again to 310 Nutrition for reaching out. I really appreciate it. And I know my viewers and everybody will appreciate it too. So give them a call or give them an email. All their information will be listed below.
Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me.
Well, that is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little sneak preview of what there is to come. Like I said, I have lots of ideas. And let me know down below in the comments box, what is your favorite look? Like, do you like farmhouse, modern farmhouse, boho? Like, what are your feelings towards a lot of design? And do you like to mix designs together? Because as you know, I do. So I love farmhouse, I love boho, I love some things modern, some things traditional. And I'm loving trying to incorporate them all together. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you felt like you wanted to hit the subscribe button and join in. Say hello to everybody down there. We would love to have you. Thank you again to 310 Nutrition for reaching out. We appreciate it. And to my subscribers, definitely go give them a try. And if you do, let me know in the comments below or in another video I do. I'd love to know if you tried it and if you like it as much as I do. But anyway, I gotta go, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Oh, make you